The Dodge Charger RT is a muscle car with no V8. For 2027, a badge that meant 8 cylinders and a deep American rumble for 60 years now hides a twin-turbo 6. And Dodge is quietly hoping you will not hold it against them. Here it is, painted a loud, bright blue over a black roof, sitting on an empty road with nothing to prove and everything to answer. This is the 4-door, one of the only 4-door muscle cars you can still buy new. And the question hanging over it is simple. Without the V8, is this a real Charger or just a fast Dodge wearing a famous name? To understand the gamble, you have to know what came just before it. This new Charger arrived first as an electric car, and the faithful revolted. So the gas engine in the nose is the peace offering, a 3-liter turbocharged straight 6 they call the Hurricane. If it lands, the muscle car survives the decade. If it does not, a 60-year story simply ends. Forget the engine for a moment, because the shape alone almost earns the badge. The Charger stretches more than 17 feet long, close to the footprint of a full-size SUV, and it wears that length as presence rather than bulk. Where a snarling grille used to sit, a single slim band of light now runs across the entire front. The face reads as one clean slab, headlights and all, instead of an open mouth. It is retro and futuristic at the same time, and somehow it works. Walk around to the side and the profile gives the game away. This is a long fastback, the roof sliding down into a short tail, riding on big black wheels pushed into each corner. At the back, one unbroken ribbon of red light stretches the full width, a modern echo of Chargers from decades ago. It is the best angle on the car, and none of that drama depends on the engine at all. The V8 argument quietens the moment you climb inside. You drop into deep sports seats stitched in red, facing a wide 12-inch touchscreen, and the cabin feels tighter and more modern than a Dodge like this has any right to. It is genuinely huge in here. 4 real doors, a proper back seat, room for a family that happens to like going fast. For all the theater outside, it could clearly handle an ordinary Tuesday. Which brings us back to that missing V8, and the numbers meant to replace it. The Turbo 6 makes more power than the old base V8 ever did. 420 horsepower and 468 pound-feet. It reaches 60 miles an hour in 4.6 seconds, on its way to a top speed of 168. It drives all 4 wheels as standard, but press one button and it sends everything to the rear, so you can still turn a Charger into a smoky, sideways cliché whenever the mood takes you. If watching an American icon reinvent itself is your kind of story, hit subscribe and stay with me. And here is the honest part. The thing that will genuinely divide people. It is the noise. The engineers chose this 6 for more power and better economy than a V8 could give. And the trade is the soundtrack. It is loud, but it is a hard industrial turbocharged loud, not the lazy baritone the badge trained you to expect. Some drivers will never forgive it. Others will stop chasing the memory and notice how good the car underneath actually is. So what does it cost to rejoin the club? Just under $52,000 for this 4-door. That parks it right on top of a Ford Mustang GT and within reach of a BMW M340i that it now genuinely rivals. The V8 is gone. The rumble is gone. But the presence, the space, and now the speed are all still here, and the car is better than the loss of 2 cylinders makes it sound. If you want to see how far Dodge pushes this idea, the 550 horsepower Scat Pack is where it goes next.